Kemp African Safaris is one of South Africa's premier responsible hunting operation companies. A family-owned outfit of Dawie Kemp and his father Awie Kemp. PASA awarded recipients of Professional Hunter of the Year in the year 1996 and the 2018 and 2019 Bow Hunter of the Year. Kemp African Safaris have an impeccable record of producing world-class trophies. We make it our quest to making your safari an experience of a lifetime and memories and trophies to nourish your soul. Wake up to bright bursts of African sun rays, hear the sound of sun beetles ringing at the heat of day, and bathe in our glowing African warmth at sunset.
Congratulations on this bull. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
They learned. Well done.
South Africa's inherent diversity has earned it the nickname "a world in one country." Travelers are spoilt for choice. From the wild landscapes of the Kruger National Park to cosmopolitan cities like Cape Town, there truly is something for everyone. We combine hunting and photographic safaris, allowing you to experience more of Southern Africa. We offer comfortable accommodation to rest your body, African cuisine to energize you for adventure and adrenaline rushes. Let the call of the jackal remind you to linger just a little longer around the fire. Let the roar of the lion vibrate in your body to remind you who is king in Africa. This unique African experience is offered to you by Kemp African Safaris. Choosing Kemp African Safaris, you will be sure to have an insightful and unforgettable experience.